Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see the last part, I think so, the last part of the motor, that is the back closing part. So let's go select new, go OK for the part design. Let it be prepared. Yeah, it's prepared now. And let's go with the front plane again, with sketch, and let's select a circle of, I think the last closing part will be of 58 mm, because the 60 mm minus 2 mm of the cell we have reduced, that will be 58 mm, that will enclose it. Yeah, I think so. And let's go with the 58 mm dimension. Yeah, and another circle that will hold the shaft, that will be of 5 mm. So let's go with the 5 mm dimension of this shaft, hold actually hole, and that's okay. And let's extrude this up to 5 mm. Yeah, that will be okay. Actually 2 mm will be okay. The size of cell is 2 mm, no? That's why. So 2 mm it's okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to somewhat curve this part. Actually we are going to create a cell over these two, but in another manner. So what we are going to do, we are going to go select this part, go for sketch, and we are going to select and draw a circle over it, like this, of 55 or 50 mm, 52, actually that was 58 now, so leaving 8 mm we can go with, yeah, 52 mm will be okay. We are leaving 6 mm, yeah, actually we have to leave 5 mm, but we are leaving 6 mm, that's okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to select another circle that will be of like this, and this will be of 50 mm. So let's go with 50 mm, and let's extrude this again to 2 mm. Actually we can go with 3 mm, 3 mm, that's okay. That's it, okay. So the back closing part is ready now, and we need some of the, I think, the, what we can say, that the carbon part that will be, actually let's leave those part for now. When we will design the stator part, we will design those part too. So let's hit OK and save this. Yeah, actually we have left something in back too. What we are going to do, we are going to select these, and let's design some of these again. Let's go for smart dimension. Let's go with 50, and this will be of 0 inlined, and this will be also 0 inlined. This will be also of 15 mm. Actually we can go with the mirror part, but I think I have forgotten to do that, but let's go with these two. 2.25 will be okay, and this one too, 2.25. Yeah, those are no symmetrical. And let's go with extrude boss base, and let's extrude it to 2 mm or 3 mm. Yeah, 2 mm, 2 mm, and let's design poles over these. Let's go with sketch, and for the poles we are going to select center rectangle. Okay, and go for smart dimension. Firstly center these. Here is Why doesn't it taking that? Let's control Z this. Go with the center rectangle. Yeah, no, it's centered. And what will be the dimensions? It will be of 2 mm, and this will be of 10 mm. Again, let's mirror these on those that side. It will also show us that it's equally distributed or not. And this one will be like this. Yeah, that's not equally distributed, so we have to edit those part too. So for going with this sketch, actually we have to exit this one first. Go with the sketch, edit these, and let's dimension these two. That will be, if we keep it 16 mm, then we have to keep these two 16 mm. Let's rebuild these, and let's go edit this sketch, and let's keep it. Oh, I forgot to take the smart dimension. Let's go with this. Let's go with 15 mm. That's not good. 16 mm. Yeah, that's good. So 10 to, that's okay. Let's one thing what we can do is we can go with the fillet one. Select this corner. What entities to fillet? Why doesn't it taking? Okay, let's extrude this. We will later on fillet that. Let's go with 10 mm. Hit okay. Let's go with fillet. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And let's go with 2 mm. Let's hit okay. That's okay. And let's go with this plane. Go for sketch. Select a circle. Draw this over here. And let's keep the dimension R2. Oh no. Smart dimension 5 mm. And the distance will be 8 mm. And let's go for feature, extrude cut. And what we are going to select, we are going to select through all. Hit okay. Now the soft part is ready. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to change the appearance for those. Let's go with this for the this part. Yeah, let's go with the plastic one. As the plastic metal. Yeah, the plastic one. And for the plastic one, what we are going to select, we are going to select this one for this. Yeah, and for these we are going to select the copper. For metal, copper. Yeah, that's okay. It's more likely looking like that. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.